Why do you feel stuck? There are many reasons why we may feel stuck in life. We may have made some decisions based on our beliefs and personal circumstances, but are unhappy with the outcome. However, we are not sure what to do differently. Overthinking about how much we dislike our current situation makes us feel stuck. We may fear that, if we make changes, things could actually get worse. So, we continue with our same routine, even if we are not happy. Here are 3 reasons why you may feel, I am stuck in life. Number 1. Fear of leaving your comfort zone. According to Professor Rose O. Sherman, your comfort zone is a space where your activities and behaviors follow a routine that minimizes your stress and risk. Even if you don't like your current circumstances, you know what to expect and you feel safe. You may not like your job, relationship, or everyday life, but you already have a routine. If you take action and change, it may get worse. You may not be happy with your spouse, but he or she provides you with food and shelter. If you are stuck in an unfulfilling job, you may decide to stay because you like the perks and benefits or need to pay the bills. Number 2. Attachment to an outdated belief system. You made some choices in the past that were according to a previous belief system, but now you think differently. For instance, you may be in a relationship with someone who everyone thinks is wonderful, but you don't really feel a connection with that person anymore. You may have a dream job in the eyes of others, but you dislike it most of the time. What keeps you stuck is going back and forth between what is important to you now and what was important to you before. Understanding that our needs and priorities change with time and experience is the first step to getting unstuck. Number 3. Ignoring your own thoughts and feelings. Thinking that others are right and we are wrong is another reason why we may feel stuck. Many times, family members or friends give advice with the best intentions, but the information may not apply to our specific situation or personality. We may read stories of people we admire and try to follow in their footsteps. Getting inspiration from others is a good starting point. However, it may be frustrating when we try to replicate a lifestyle in a few months that took others years to achieve. You need to trust that you will make the right decisions based on your feelings and thoughts. 12 things you can do when you feel stuck. When you feel like I am stuck in life, the first step is to take action. Start with a small change, something you haven't done in a couple of months. Here are some examples to get you started. Write in a journal. Exercise. Volunteer at your favorite charity. Try new food. Go to a new place. Meet new people. Adopt a new hobby. Take care of someone or something. Help others. Watch a movie you are curious about. Declutter your closet. Meditate about what you have to do to move on with your life. By making a little change in your life, you will feel you are able to make more important decisions. Ask yourself, what is one thing I can change today without feeling too uncomfortable?